Hi guys, so we are going to talk about intercepts and zeros of rational function. Now, we are going to find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, zeros of numerator as well as the zeros of denominator of the given rational function. For example, y is equals to 3x plus 4 over x minus 2. So let's do the x-intercept first. If we say x-intercept, that is an ordered pair where the value of y is equals to 0. So let's set the y, and y is equals to 0. Let's substitute it to the given rational equation and solve for the value of x. So instead of using y, I will substitute the value to 0. So it will gonna be 0 is equals to 3x plus 4 over x minus 2. So I can do cross multiplication here, but first I will put over 1 so I can do cross multiplication. So 0 is multiplied by x minus 2 and 3x plus 4 is multiplied by 1. So that is equals to 0 is equals to 3x plus 4. I need to eliminate all the value that comes with x. To eliminate 4, apply the addition property of equality. So from positive 4, it will become negative 4. If I, because I transpose it to the other side. So now, I need to eliminate 3 again. I will divide it by both sides. I will put 3, then cancel it. So it will become x is equals to negative 4 over 3. So the x-intercept is negative 4 over 3. So that's our x-intercept. So in y-intercept, it will gonna be x is equals to 0. So let's set the x is equals to 0 and solve for the value of y. So substitute the value of x, which is 0. So it will be y is equals to 3 multiplied by 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 2. So that is equals to y 4 over negative 2. So our y will be negative 2. That's why our y-intercept is 0 and negative 2. So let's talk about zeros of numerator. So in finding the zeros of numerator, just copy the numerator, which is 3x plus 4, then equals to 0. And solve for the value of your x. So again, we need to eliminate all the value that comes with x. So let's start with 4. So that is 3x is equals to negative 4. Divide both sides by 3, cancel it, and x is equals to negative 4 over 3. So this is the zeros of numerator. And the zeros of denominator, let's get the denominator, which is x minus 2 and equals to 0. And solve for the value of x. So from negative, it will become positive 2. And this is the zeros of denominator. So I hope that you learned something from me. Thank you all for listening.